I'm really feeling myself. Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a soft girl makeover. Soft girls are a branch of e-girls, I believe. They have heavy wing liner, lots of blush, and they tend to wear pastel clothing and scrunchies. So I'm going to try to recreate that makeup look today. I already have a little bit of base makeup on, but I'm going to add more blush and highlighter, some wing liner and false lashes, and then I'll put together an outfit for you as well. So stick around and enjoy! Starting with the Velvet Fit Foundation by 3CE and Ivory, just to give myself a clean base. I'm a little bit tan right now, so this may not match completely. I'm going to touch up my brows, just add a little bit more tint. This is a unreleased L'Oreal brow tint. It may or may not be in stores right now. I'm going to do a little more under eye concealer. I'm going to take the Take a Layer palette and going steady. I think the soft girl makeup is like very pink blush, so I'm going to go in that one, maybe a little bit of the red. And I'm going to really pack it on there. Yeah, I'm using this shade right here. I want to look like I'm constantly blushing like an anime character. Alright, already looking like an e-girl or soft girl. I was just thinking about this, but I might do an e-girl outfit and then do a soft girl outfit as well. And their makeup is pretty similar. The only difference is really the outfits that they wear. So e-girls tend to wear more goth or punk inspired clothing, and e-girls tend to wear more pastel, feminine, girly clothing. And this highlight, I have the Artist Couture Jackie Aina highlight in La Peach. It's a very nice peach tone highlight. I don't get to use this enough, so I'm excited. It's like a rose gold color. I'm just using a fan brush to put that on the nose as well. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna start doing the liner. So I already did my eyeshadow with this 3CE palette in Overtake. It's a pretty basic neutral palette. I did another tutorial in my Style Nanda haul, which I will link here if you're interested. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and then do some eyeliner and false lashes. I'm going to be using the Glamnetic felt tip magnetic eyeliner and the Lucky Lashes. I just did a review on this. If you'd like to see that, it's in. I'll link it here. And I'm also going to do a little few fake lashes down here as well. That's something I've seen other e-girl makeup looks do. I'm not sure if I love it, but we're just gonna go with it. So I'm gonna apply the lashes now. It's a little bit tricky, but I'll try to get it right this time. One on. I think I did a better job this time. Alright, and that's the lashes still. Already feeling very glam. This time I noticed that it was a little bit difficult to stick on in the edge. I'm not sure why that is, but I think I got them on now, so now I think I will do this lip tint, just a tint. It's the ColourPop lip crayon and Rise and Shine. Just gonna make them look a little bit more pink. Brow tint to balance out the eyes. Okay, now I'm going to put on the outfit. So, be right back. Alright, so here's the complete look for the Girl Makeover. I have this blue pastel skirt I got from Depop, and this white top, which is from Garage. Yeah, so I think it's pretty cute, and my pastel hair also helps in the look. So yeah, that's the final look. As a bonus, I will do an additional e-girl look in a few seconds. Here is the e-girl outfit. So the skirt and top are both from Daniel Guizio, and the bras from RUMI. And yeah, I dig this outfit as well. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Here's a close-up of the makeup. Yeah, don't look too closely at the eyelashes. I still suck at those. But you can see the blush. Hopefully you can see a little bit of the highlight. And my eye makeup is a little faded out at this point. But I think I did a good job with the liner. Other than the bottom lashes, I'm not a huge fan. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye!